One of my favorite plants that is also a must-have on the homestead is aloe. I love growing this, and I want you to look at what I've got. I had 8 little pots that desperately needed to be repotted. They are full of aloe, and it's such an easy task. It's not hard. They all started off in these little small pots, and look how much aloe is in each one now. So we're going to divide that. I'm going to show you how easy it is. Stay till the end so you can see how I harvest that gel and use it for medicinal purposes. So first of all, I've dumped out this pot. Look how root bound that is. And I'm just very carefully pulling apart each aloe plant. Now this started as one stalk over the course of a year, and it has just grown, and all I do is leave it out in the yard in the summertime, and I bring it in before the first frost, and it just kind of grows itself. I really don't have to do anything, but you do have to repot. So I'm pulling out all of the pieces. They've got good roots on them, and so I'm going to repot these into other pots. And those real tiny small ones I will put in cups and containers, and I put a bunch of them out in the yard for a giveaway. I'm giving them to friends or whoever will take them. But so this was fun. I got 11 plants out of that one little pot. And you can see I'm using ice cream containers, whatever I could find to repot these in. So I just take one of the pieces of aloe, stick it in the pot with some fresh potting soil, and water it a little bit, and then it's good to go. So you should really try aloe. Now I checked Lowe's, and these were $6 a piece for one plant. I had over 100 plants. So they grow fast, they make babies, and so once you get one plant, you should not have to buy any more. Now, aloe is great for skin burns, sunburn pain, any kind of skin irritation. The aloe vera gel is perfect for healing that and stopping the pain. So that's why I like to grow it. I like to give to my kids for their kids. It's just a great natural plant. And so now what I'm going to do is, these are all of the extra pots I got. I'm going to take one of those Dollar Tree planters. I've got 4 of them, so that's about $5 that you can get at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to make a tall planter using those pieces that I've been breaking apart. And this is going to be real pretty. It's going to be on my back deck. And I think it's going to look real pretty when it starts to fill out. So I've just filled each section with some potting mix. And I also did add some worm castings in there. Then I'm just plopping in each one of these little pieces of aloe vera, pushing it more towards the front. And then the top layer will have a big one right in the middle. So that should really fill in nicely and look very pretty on the deck. Plus, be very functional just to snip off a piece if you get burned. So there is my aloe tower. I just think it looks great. Again, these are from the Dollar Tree. Very inexpensive. And then I'm going to share with you how to take your big pieces of fat aloe and cut them open. Now here's my free sign I put out, and pretty much all of them are gone. They got picked up. All right, I take the biggest pieces of aloe, and I've cut those and washed them, and then I cut a slit down the middle, and then I just take my knife and run it across and peel back that outer layer. And what you find inside is a nice bar of gel. And then I just take my knife and run it right down the side, and those clear pieces that are falling off, that is the aloe vera gel. And like I said, if you get a burn, you just open up a piece of aloe vera and rub it right on your burn. Now, I had so much, and I wanted to be able to preserve this. So what I'm going to do is put all of this in my blender, blend it up, and then put it in ice trays. And then that way I've got pure aloe vera gel in the future when I need it. So I've got my food processor. I got about 3 cups of the gel. Alright, I'm just going to put it on pulse and pulse it till I'm able to pour it. So it just took a few seconds to pulse. Then I've got an ice tray and I'm going to fill it up. Now I didn't add any water or anything else to it. This is just straight gel. And what I'm going to do is going to pour this right in each little container, and I filled up one ice tray. And then I'm going to wrap it in plastic and put it in the freezer. And then just freeze these as little ice cubes. And then the next morning, I've opened up these ice cubes, or the aloe vera gel cubes. I'm just putting them right in a Ziploc bag and then just sticking this in the freezer. So then when I need it for like a bad sunburn, I just put out one cube, let it thaw out, and then just use that gel and rub on the burn area. This is perfect for sunburns. So you see how easy this is. And like I said, aloe vera is such an easy plant to grow. Don't overwater it. If you live in a nice climate, you can leave it outside all summer. So I hope you'll give this one a try. If you see aloe vera somewhere, you pick you up a plant and you won't ever have to buy another plant. If you have any questions, just leave those in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer any, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching. Have a very blessed day.